How's it going? What's up and what's happening, guys? This is an absolute emergency video. Right now, we have had in the last 1 hour, and I've been waiting to get to you for this live show. I almost started it earlier, but I needed the time to prepare for this content for you guys properly. But basically, guys, we have a current Bitcoin breakout. We have an Ethereum breakout. We have altcoins breaking out. You guys have no idea what it is that you're missing if you're not yet in the Crypto Bliss channel watching what it is that we are doing right now in the crypto space, guys. I may not be pumping out as much videos as I possibly have been trying to do for you guys, but I did a crazy video for you today, and you guys obviously like that, so really appreciate that from you guys. Thank you very much. Honestly, guys, just doing the best that I can right now. I'm just pumping hard, and right now, every Monday, I do a live session for you guys. That's why I'm here with you guys right now. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being here with me today. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara DeCass, and this is the Spotlight Live. We are having a breakout right now on Bitcoin. Let's go and have a look at the Bitcoin chart right now. As you can see, boom, there is a bull flag, as you guys can see. I'm going to always show you guys different charts, sometimes cleaner charts where I want that. We haven't hit this target, essentially, of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. There were a few patterns that we drew in here, but essentially once we broke above this box here, we really just went and carried on being bullish, right? So the simplicity of it right now is that if we are to assimilate this as a bull flag, or bull pennant, whichever you guys want to call it, because either or is the same. Currently, if we close this candle above here today, we should potentially reach that $65,000 target, guys, which is, if I might say, the all-time high. Okay, that's why this video is currently an absolute emergency video. Now, do I think it's going to get there? I think, there's going to be some psychological component that, in the meantime, just for like maybe just a few weeks, guys, we literally are a couple days away from the Bitcoin halving date. Bitcoin halving. Let's see here when the Bitcoin halving is, guys. But basically, we are, I think, about 47 days, 48 days, somewhere around that, to the Bitcoin halving. And right now, the most important thing that you guys need to know is that from that moment, we may sit sideways for a little bit, but guys, this cycle is 100% different compared to other cycles. Why is that? Estimated 51 days, guys. There you go. Okay, so April 17th, about 51 days. It depends on which Bitcoin clock you use, whatever. They're all around about the 420th of April. Hint, hint. All right, which, of course, I'll be celebrating with you at that moment where we have this halving time, because we will see some crazy gains. Guys, I don't even think you realize we are seeing Bitcoin currently pump, just kind of hover around this 53K level at the moment. What does that even mean for us? All right, let's go and have a look, guys, in this video. Right. Thank you for being here with me today. As you guys can see, I'm very, very excited. But of course, that psychological level, that could be my level. That's almost the bull flag. That's 65,000. Guys, that's the bull flag target for me. Honestly, it could go up there. I would not be surprised if it continues to show its momentum, especially with our MVRV score coming into play over here right now. And I actually want to just have a very quick squiz at the Gaussian channel, because the Gaussian channel is enormously starting to pull up, and that's exactly what happens when we actually start to get the crazy pumps out in Bitcoin over the long, beautiful cycles that we have seen this beautiful, beautiful magic happen. So not only that, but we also have the EMA ribbon on the weekly time frame absolutely just really starting to only get its openness right now. So yes, we're a little bit overextended, if I could say right now. Right now we're about 24% away from the first moving average, which is the 20 moving average on the EMA. So really, guys, we should be conscious that there could just be a moment of pause, which, guys, why would we not actually just grind up here slowly, 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 kind of hover around this 62 to 66,000 level before the halving, and maybe even retest 58, and then absolutely pump it up. You got to pump it up, and don't you know, pump it up. Well, guys, I can't even express to you how excited you can see it is that I am. And why is it that I am this excited? Well, I will show you in a short moment. Um, Now, guys, we also had full moon literally this week, which was literally over here. And generally, on full moons, as you can see, we tend to end up going up in the pattern. So, new moon means down, full moon mean up. All right, so multiple indicators. I'm not going to keep carrying on, but let's get the PS. Sorry, not this one, not this indicator here, guys. Um, Smart money concepts, smart supply, UT, not UT, volume. Yeah, there, volume. No, it's not that volume. It is the volume indicator, volume flow indicator. Okay, it's not really giving us much data. Okay, so it is all good, guys. All right, let's carry on here. All right, now, so today we are currently seeing the cryptocurrency market cap pump. After being down 2% this morning, we are now up 3.3% right now. Now, why is that? Well, of course, the big daddy is now healthily and pretty much happily about 46, $47 billion over the $1 trillion level, which is now starting to look pretty cool, guys. And if you want to go and see why cryptos are pumping like this, go check out my video that I did for you today. I will leave it pinned in the cards above for you because that video is very, very potent and powerful. Okay, now the trading volume has started to increase again to about 86 billion. You can see that's starting to increase nicely over there. Bitcoin is sitting at 53,300, Ethereum at 3150, BNB just under 400. BNB is pumping nicely, guys. Solana's at 106, Lido at 3146, XRP at 54 cents. Cardano 60 cents, 61 cents, Avalanche 38, Dodge 8.7, Chainlink 18.98, Polkadot $8, and Polygon $1.05, guys. When I started to get into the crypto space, all of these coins were like way like 3 to 5x lower than where they are right now, which means that if you have been subscribed to my channel for as long as I have, because this current video that I'm literally doing for you is in celebration of doing the 900th video for the channel. So hopefully you can give me a smash thumbs up on the video and share this content with people you believe may find this content invaluable, guys, because I'm literally showing you crazy coins that have the most beautiful energy to give us and create wealth for us. And this is just one narrative, guys. Just by the way, I have shared with you so many narratives, and in this live session, I am actually going to do the same thing for you. So make sure to stay tuned right to the very end of the video. I will be talking about a narrative that I am invested in myself, and I have taken beautiful risk and seen wonderful rewards already. I will show you that towards the end, so make sure to stay tuned. But for now, guys, today the fear and greed index is currently sitting at 72. So we're pumping as we are, but remember it is quite delayed. So this will kind of take effect at like 2, 3 a.m. my time in the morning. And that probably will end up in the extreme greed phase once again, because that's just what we're seeing with all the crazy pumpermentals busy happening in the market today. We are seeing some really beautiful green candles across the entire crypto space. And what is the beautiful driving force of this, you say? Well, I guess we'll have a chat about that in a short moment. So make sure you stay with me because I have plenty to share with you guys. Now, today on the Morales Money Bubbles, you can see that we have coins pumping like 8%, 10%, 12%. Yeah, anything up to like 12% really, guys, which is one day worth, hence the 24 hours. Now, if I just put this at 7 days, okay, you can see that Uni's pumping double digit 42%, near is 18%. The last 30 days, we are seeing even crazier gains, guys. Just by the way, Render at 91%, GRT at 85, Stacks at 83. Now, if I look at 1 year, guys, look at what happens to 1 year. There are some coins that are actually pumping, but yet still have crazy pumps potentially inside of them. That's why I have been showing you a crazy amount of these coins. So let me know if you own any of these. I mean, I own quite a substantial amount of pretty much each one of these. I do have a very well diversified portfolio, especially in crypto. And especially in altcoins at this moment, because our beautiful Bitcoin, honestly, I would eventually at the end of the altcoins pump, market cycle pump, I would literally just put everything back into Bitcoin, really, at the end of it. So, guys, at the end of the day, but this cycle may be very different, and now this is exactly why. So, guys, make sure you guys are liking and subscribing to my Twitter page as well. I will leave that down there below for you guys. And as you guys can see, I did retweet this about 21, I don't know, however many hours ago. But I did repost this essentially, and you can see that everybody draws their flags very differently, but the bull flag is essentially the bull flag, and that is essentially what is happening and unfolding on Bitcoin, as you guys can see. So now that we have cleared the air on Bitcoin, let's go and quickly have a look at our wonderful and beautiful Bitcoin archive. Shout out to you, Bitcoin archive, once again. Bitcoin back above 53,000 even. And 2024 will see more money converted from fiat to Bitcoin than the previous 15 years of Bitcoin's actual existence, according to Mark Yusko. This is amazing, guys. I do agree with him. I actually can see it. Money is flowing in, and this is why money is flowing in. We're going to have a look at a series of articles on Bitcoin Archive's page that show us exactly what that is and why we are expecting this. Well, firstly, Justin, Bitcoin is demonetizing gold ETFs as the store of value narratives take hold. Bitcoin ETFs are taking in billions, while gold ETFs are bleeding assets. Bloop, gold is literally bleeding, and Bitcoin is itself running up, and Bitcoin X Grayscale is pumping. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but when Michael Saylor is now $3.8 billion in profit on MicroStrategy's $6 billion Bitcoin investment, I think that is great, because he also holds now 193,000 Bitcoin with an average price of about 31,544 per BTC. And he just bought another 3,455 million, and he just is not stopping. So, like he keeps saying, he is here to buy the top of every market. Now, this is why the volume is pumping in Bitcoin right now, and why we are seeing this wonderful and incredible breakout candle. And it is certainly backed by volume. We will have a look at that in a short little moment, so stay tuned when we go ahead and look at my Bitcoin and Bitflex links. If you guys use those down below, you can get yourself up to $128,888 bonus. Now make sure to use my Bitflex. You'll get up to $30,000, and my Bybit for $30,000, and my Bitflex for $88,888. Use those links, 128.888K, right there for you in bonuses, waiting for you. Guys, let's go and make money together. We are not even playing games here. If you are not playing games, then smash the thumbs up on the video. So, confirmed, 4 spot Bitcoin ETFs have been approved on the 30 billion advisor network platform by the Carson Group. Inflows are literally going to freaking tsunami in. Carson Group, an Obama, Nebraska-based registered investment advisory, which has $30 billion on its platform, said it has approved just 4 of the 10 new Bitcoin ETFs. That list includes BlackRock 6.6 billion iShares Bitcoin ticker, Fidelity Wise, FBTC, the 2 products receiving the most investor inflow so far, as well as the smaller offerings from Bitwise and Franklin Templeton. Now, not only that, Fidelity and Accenture hosted a 100 bank executives and asset managers Paris last week to learn more about Bitcoin to prepare as an institution. It is happening, guys. Bitcoin is literally going beyond the moon this cycle because literally the ETFs, this stuff here, literally gives it the tsunami effect. So we have not ever seen the Bitcoin cycle that we are literally about to see in this space, guys. I cannot even express to you what this looks like. We are literally going, all of this is going to look like a blip on this chart in this very, very cycle, and perhaps even the next. And the reason I say that is because if Michael Saylor is still part of an institution and he will forever be buying the top, I don't see why other institutions won't also be buying the top. However, in saying that, okay, I would say that the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity as examples, perhaps others, I'm sure others, and who knows, I may be making some false statements here, so don't hold me accountable to this. I am just maybe giving you something to think about, that maybe when this was launched, the derivatives ETF was launched, okay, the market crashed. Why would they not end up doing the same, taking profits and making the market crash somehow to find a way to make money in this space, guys? The 2.618 is literally at 154,000, guys. Bitcoin has the potential to 4x this this potential, and I'd actually like to show you let us delete the volume here. We don't need the volume. What is this? Okay, close all of that. Literally, okay, so right now let's go and have a look here for you guys. Okay, where's the settings? There's the settings. Okay, let's go and just as an example add our 3.618 and our 4.618. Okay, we will add those two into the picture so that I can please kindly show you that where the potential of this coin may go is very, very much a lot higher than we believe, guys. This is the 1.618, and that is 100K. The 2.618 is 155K. 3.618 is about 207K. 4.618 is about 260K. My potential target is between $275,000 and $300,000. What is your potential target? Let me know about your potential target for Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin is about to do an explosion like that, I mean, literally from where we are right now to 300,000, guys, is about a 500% gain. Cool. I think Bitcoin is about to literally 5x from where we are about to say. But really, inevitably, this thing could 10x, no problem, guys. And that's why I would be very, very, very afraid. Because if we were to see a cycle that came in, okay, that is very different to the previous cycles, but somewhat mimicked the 2013 to 2017 cycles that I have been talking about on my channel, okay, an 11,900% or 120x gain on Bitcoin literally could take us up to about $3.6 million a Bitcoin. Now, could I see it rallying that far? Yes. Is it going to do it this cycle? I don't know. But this cycle is very different. So, now that I got the big part out of the way, okay, we literally are only just getting started. Okay, right now we're at 53,000. What really does make sense is that we kind of buy ourselves up to about 400, 500,000, we 10x from the current price, and then we have a 90% reduction back to this level, guys. Literally, this level that we are about to come and see, which is essentially the 618 down here at 48,000. So why would we not see a pullback? And in fact, let's go and just very quickly from about 500,000, okay? Where are you? 500,000, 500,000. There you go. About 500,000 pullback. I mean, I don't think we'll see a 93% pullback, guys. That's just the reality of it. Maybe we could see like a 70% pullback. Okay, 70% pullback. There you go, 148,000. If we were to go to 500,000 this cycle and we had a 70% pullback, we would never, ever, ever come back down to the previous all-time high of Bitcoin. That would literally change the cycle, not only in the upward momentum, but also on the downward momentum, which essentially would give us about a 150K target. Now, guys, now that I've got your interest even more, and I've held your interest, I really appreciate you being here. And that is exactly why I'd like to just share a couple more articles for motivation, because a venture capitalist Dan Tapiero says crypto is in early stages of bull market. Significant Bitcoin correction is unlikely. Okay. The Uniswap team, however, sells about 90K Uni tokens after the altcoin rallies about 70%. Don't be flooded by fake Shiba Inu airdrops. Bitcoin coming up on steepest part of parabolic rally to new all-time high, says analyst. And here are his targets. Would you like to have a look at that? Let's go and have a look at that. Why not? Analyst predicts massive 11.5K% rally for Dogecoin. Updates outlook on one Doge rival. Now, Apple iOS Trojan allows for hackers to access bank accounts. Security researchers warn. Here is how it works. One of the coolest things is the new Satoshi emails revealed. Bitcoin creator says fiat currencies breach people's trust. 100%. That's why Bitcoin was created, guys. And JP Morgan continues to do a bunch of bullshit. They even, JP Chase customers forced to pay unconscionable and predatory fees despite doing nothing wrong. Ridiculous. Okay. Now, we are going to have a look at this article before I tell you exactly why we are about to see some of the craziest rallies in crypto. Not only in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still pumping, but the rest of the crypto space is about to have its turn. So, let's delve into that. But closely, okay, here you go, 90K. The next textbook suggests that after base 3, you get double price. In price, 45 times 2 is the target parabola of 90. So you can see base 3, next move, base 4, boom, sell point, crash, boom, down. I don't know, like textbook diagram is great, and I do like it, but I guess every single one of us do have our own perspectives. I think 90K, it's definitely going beyond 90K, guys. Definitely going beyond 90K. And I don't have a genie bottle, and no, this isn't financial advice, so please note that. Now that we are done looking at that, let's go and actually have a look at some of the Bitcoin dominance chart, because even Bitcoin dominance, guys, Bitcoin dominance is now literally caught inside this area over here, which is this kind of ascending triangle, which is ascending triangles are normally and regularly a bit more bearish. So I think we actually have topped out on Bitcoin dominance at this 55K level. And that's exactly why we are really starting to see the altcoins start to get their turn. Because are we starting to break structure here with double tops, kind of quadruple tops really? Are we starting to see that? Because really, if we are, we would have had one rally. So first rally, second rally, third rally, fourth rally, fifth rally, sixth rally. The exhaustion in Bitcoin dominance might be happening and unfolding. But guys, I still think and see that Bitcoin is still going to continue to pump. But against altcoins and the amount of money coming into altcoins, it may not. Okay. But yet, just know that we are at a very strong level of resistance at this horizontal level of the 55K, 55%, excuse me. So there is obviously a lot more in action than just looking at the news, okay? Really, the charts do tell us a story. Right now, Bitcoin is literally just taking a breather while the altcoins pump. That's what happens when the Bitcoin takes a fresh breath of air. Okay, so now you can see here the altcoin market cap on the monthly is starting to really rip it hard. Okay, so first stop here. Guys, really, do I think it's going to stop there? No, I think we literally are pushing our way through the bull market doors, and the bull market doors are literally this beautiful zone above us right now where I have put this arrow towards. Really, guys, if you guys got in there, I mean, I've been in altcoins kind of always. I mean, I've been buying altcoins actually since, yeah. So really, guys, I've really just kind of remained constant in my DCA level, okay? And I bought tons more here in this zone. So I've been in for a long time. But if you just manage to get this on this green level breakout and on the support, guess what? You're in for a really good long ride. And really, that is like a 700, 800% gain in your altcoin portfolio, which is, guys, really cool. I mean, that's like an 80x. So if you invested, you know, $1,000, realistically, you could be perhaps making $80,000. Oh, sorry, $800,000. But some other altcoins are literally going to rip it hard. And this is just all the altcoins excluding BTC and ETH. Now, I want to have a look at the IBIT because I just want to finish off on Bitcoin before I show you my last reasons why I am so bullish on Bitcoin. Okay. Even though I have invested heavily into other altcoins, I am extremely bullish on Bitcoin. The IBIT shares, trust shares, is finding support and breaking out of its zone 2, plus the MVRV score is literally about to start turning up too. Guys, this thing is not going to stop. This means that expected breakout potential target, okay, of call it a cup and handle pattern, as you guys can see. Oops, I'll put that a little bit too high. Okay, call it a cup and the handle pattern, right? Look at the target is all the way up here at 38 from 30. That means like a potential of a couple 10 to tens of to a couple $100 billion coming into the market, into the iShares Trust. Now, we are going to talk about the literal reason we are seeing some of the biggest explosion in crypto right now, thanks to the fairy godmother Ethereum. Look at that monthly candle, guys. That monthly candle is literally like a god candle, a breakout candle from this fleshy pattern that it was starting to create here. This was an indecision candle, and literally this month we have now broken out. We are literally going to push up to this level, guys. I don't even think Ethereum is going to stop. Ethereum is going to be a massive bullet train that is literally about to explode out of this world. Now, if we look at this on the weekly time frame, you can see that on the weekly time frame, we had a very strong pattern here of consolidation, and for the last 4 weeks, we have literally been pumping up in Ethereum. So is now a good time to buy Ethereum? Not quite, even though we still going to be going up and we still have about 26%. So if you're a trader and you know how to scalp, you know, like you could take a 10x, 20x, and you could make like 200, 300%, you know, if you do want to do that. But it is high risk at this point because, especially because we're coming up to this level, I think there's going to be a bit of a psychological reversal at about the 3,500, 3,600 Ethereum price. Guys, at that point, you know, maybe we don't stop, but maybe we just find a little bit of capitulation here. We pull back to about 3,000 from that level, okay? 3,100 even, yeah, I would say is reasonable. And then absolutely, literally just go berserk. And we literally break through this crazy all-time high level here of, call it 4,700, 4,900 actually on Ethereum, as we all know. We break through, we capitulate at that level, and then we break through to the next target, which honestly, guys, I would say is probably going to be up here at about 10,000 to 12,000 on Ethereum. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know what your thoughts are. So if we were to take really a trade, I mean, even from now, if you just had to DCA, I mean, if we had to go to 10,000, our expected returns would give us like 220%. That's only 2.2x, guys. And 12,000 would only give us like 2.284%, which is like only a 2.8x. You see, guys, and that's why like Bitcoin has the potential to do more, and that's why I would literally sell all my altcoins into Bitcoin, and that's why I say ETH BTC pair, Ethereum won't reach one Bitcoin, not in this cycle, and maybe in the next cycle. It's a possibility, but really I doubt it, because that is very, very much far-fetched when you consider that Bitcoin is just consistently growing and growing and growing and growing more and more every single year, guys. Average 130 to 150% growth every year. Why would you not want to invest in Bitcoin? Like, that's 1.3x your money every single year. You're doubling your money every single year. You don't even have to go and play poker or blackjack and go black on or red, guys. Literally, okay. The crypto space is literally buy when the markets are down, dollar cost average your entries, use my links down below, get 128k bonuses to help you on your journey, and let's freaking make money here, guys. All right, now what I actually want to go and show you guys is obviously my channel, once again, that I have been doing some cool videos for you today, and of course in this video. So I hope you guys have been enjoying that. Go check that out. I'll leave it up there. But really, let's go and have a look at our Bybit and Bitflex and see what we're going to do there. So Bitflex, did we get into? We did. Check. I re-entered into my XRP trade because we're getting a very strong and beautiful candle here on XRP, and we are consecutively making higher highs. Not yet higher lows, but this is literally the area to break out of, which I do believe that we are going to see this breakout happen very, very soon. Use my Bybit link down below and get $88,000 to trade this. I am literally just showing you guys on this account, okay? I have other accounts, but on this account, guys, I'm showing you how you can get in with even just $5, $2, $1, just, you know, whatever money you have. But make sure it's money you can afford to lose, because, you know, trading isn't that easy, okay, in the beginning, because it's all based on psychological effects. Now, that's why I say, you know, we could on this come down without compromising, breaking these lows here. Like, we could, but we already have essentially tested this zone right there. So that's why I say XRP is in a position to break out. First target is undoubtedly 72 cents, guys. The next target is all the way up here at 93 cents. Then one, or what kind of one, 93 to $1. And then really, guys, I think we should see massive, massive explosions on XRP. And if you guys really want to see an XRP chart, we'll show you in a moment. But look here, I actually managed to purchase some more Bitcoin, which essentially moved my buy entry limit up. So I'm just going to squeeze that up there because I don't need to lose any money in my trade. I'm literally in a free trade. I just added more to the position right here because, as you can see, we were literally on the breakout. And why would I not buy Bitcoin on the breakout, people? This is what I keep saying to you. So use my link down below and you get deposit bonus. And you, me, we make money together. Yes? You want to make some money together? I think this is a very, very good idea. And that is exactly why, you know, right now there are literally no more areas of target for Bitcoin in this zone. It literally has a zone of price discovery, other than the fact that it has the previous all-time highs to really reach for right now. So why would we not continue to pump up as we have been like through these times? Literally, we pump, capitulated, pump up, capitulated. We're gonna do the next one. Like, I mean, we literally are just getting started, guys. So for me, this is very great. I hope this is very great for you too. So my buy entry went from down here to up here. I will not add any more right now at this position, even if we are going to go up. I would like to wait until we hit that 65 to 66,000, my target, and that's where I will take a little bit more profits. And then what I'll do is I will wait for the pullback to wherever it is and re-enter those profits down at that point, just like I have been doing, as you can see. So guys, you can check my trades out. My Bitcoin trade is now 215% in profit because of the position that I added. It literally raised my price by like $5,000 because of the amount that I put in, but I put in an extra $25 on that specific trade. I like doing small trades with you guys because I like to show you how achievable it is to make like whatever, $20 a day, $50 a day, whatever it is that you want, guys. You can literally scalp money out of the market. Like get in a trade and scalp some profits out, let the profits ride up. You know, you've taken your original investment off the table and you're just making money. So you know, here, once we do get to you know, you see here like 61% in profit with Cardano. AVAX is now 95% in profit. So literally, I mean, I could take that. Uh, but why would I take that? You know, I'm just going to wait and be patient here until I see some uh, like 200, 300% marks, and then we will, you know, of course, reevaluate from there. My link is now up 65%, and my super is up 78%, guys. So those are my wonderful trades for the evening. Now, those are my trades. Today, I have, as I said for you guys, a very incredible session. So let's go and have a very wonderful look at some of these beautiful and momentous ideas that I have to share with you right now in the beautiful BRC20 ecosystem. You guys have no idea what this ecosystem is made up of. I literally have just explained to you everything about Bitcoin and what to expect with Bitcoin in this cycle. So if you cannot see the vision for the BRC20, which essentially is why I also believe that Ethereum, even though Ethereum is leading the altcoins, I think the BRC20 ecosystem really is going to catch up very, very, very fast to where the Ethereum ecosystem is. And Ethereum ecosystem, as we know, is currently sitting at about $400 billion. And the BRC20 is only sitting at about $3 billion, which means that the BRC20 tokens have plus minus 100 to 150x potential this cycle, guys. I can't express this more to you. Like we're seeing 50% pump on the day, every day. And that's why I want to show you some very, very specific narratives in the BRC20. I'm going to talk about a little bit about some of these tokens. You can see the ones that I have starred here. So you're welcome to check that out as well. Let me know if you guys own any of the BRC20s. I personally own a decent amount, and I ain't going to stop buying because we are seeing great pumps in the market. So, ordinals, of course, we all know about ordinals. Ordinals was one of those that was really just an incredible. It's been an incredible project, and ordinals has about 21 million also in circulation. And this is showing us, you know, the all-time low in September. Just by the way, we're up 2,200% already, was $2.86. I invested in this coin at about $4 was my average buy price. And I literally invested whatever I could at that time. And I got me quite a nice chunk. And I literally am up about 40x. No, not 40x. 40x. Because it's at $66 today. 30, like, yeah. 15 to 20x, okay, would be very reasonable. Let's just say. Yeah, yeah, I bought here. There you go. I bought around this area here. $4, $4.32. So, you know, literally, guys, yeah, like 15, 20x is what I would say. This is still only a $1.4 billion market cap, guys. And Ordinals is the biggest project in the Bitcoin BRC20 ecosystem. And that's why I would definitely favor it if you guys can afford to buy still some Ordinals at this level. I think Ordinals still in its own right can do 100x to $140 billion the market cap, we can see some crazy prices for ordinals. That's just my personal view. Let me know what you guys think. I do like sats and ordinals. That is currently also sitting at about a $1 billion market cap. I don't really want to talk about it too much, and that's why I would like to just kind of move on to track, but I will just quickly mention sats. Sats is obviously, I mean, I actually don't own any sats, but basically the idea of sats is that it literally is 7x the it's literally ordinal sats ordinals, and this is literally where were we? Yeah, we're up 15,000% on this token. Just saying. And I think this can still go quite far. I think it can also hit about $100 billion market cap. So am I invested? Yes. Am I going to buy some more? Yes. Is it high risk? Yes. But does it have high reward? Yes. So if we are about to buy $100 of this, we literally get about 206 million coins. Okay. So not bad considering, like your $100 could like 100x from there, and that could convert into $10,000 with just this project. So not a bad project. Very simple. Track. Okay. Track is only sitting at $110 million. Now, this is very interesting, guys, because this is at $5.30. It's ranked 407. It's been pumping hard. It's also only got 21 million. And basically tracks up 13,000% in the last 8 months, just from 0.3 cents. Okay. And this still has a crazy, crazy, crazy way to go, guys. So we literally came from down here, a 15,000 market cap, 76,000, 100,000, 43,000 market cap to $110 million market cap. Track and ordinals is a decentralized ordinals and Bitcoin meta protocol tracking. Okay, so it literally track everything that happens in Bitcoin is what the track does. So why would this project not pump also to an estimated of more or less $100 billion in the space, guys? Ethereum is sitting at 3-4x. These coins could literally just swoop up everything. So ordinal swap as well, guys. Ordinal swap, of course, is the swap and the decentralized exchange of ordinals. I'm not even going to carry on with that, but that can also hit a kind of, I mean, think about where BNB is right now, and if ordinals already swap, and ordinals is the best exchange, decentralized exchange for crypto, why would it not do that? And there is a wallet for that I will show you a little bit later. So make sure you guys are staying tuned. I have maybe 10 minutes left with you guys. So ask me any questions and I'll have a look and I'll answer those at the end. But basically, Comsats, Insec, Pepe ordinals, guys. Pepe is sitting at $5.8 million. Pepe ordinals, guys. This thing just pumped 60%. And I'm going to tell you right now that Pepe ordinals is going to pump. It's just the Bitcoin meme coin. That's just what it is, guys. So, yeah. Can it reach like 80 billion? Yeah. I mean, if the Shiba Inu is an Ethereum-based meme coin and Dogecoin, is its own meme coin, why would it not be able to, a Bitcoin meme coin not be able to reach the same kind of heights, if not extend itself further? And that's why, there is the meme there as well. There's bank ordinals. There's moon ordinals. Moon ordinals sitting at $2.3 million. The Ordinals Council, PUPS, okay, that's like an NFT project within the space sitting at $1.3 million, guys. It's up 187% in the last 7 days. Guys, you don't even know. Come check out these coins. JPEG or Ordinals, okay. This is only $425,000 market cap. Now I'm getting even more serious with you guys. I want to show you because there is some stuff here that I have invested in that are very high risk but are extremely high reward. Now, Nuwu, one of them. Artificial neural network ordinals. Okay, this is only a $2 million market cap, guys. $2 million market cap. Okay, we are tiny, literally tiny. Okay, banana market. Yeah, this is very low. It got a bit of a, it's had a very heavy drop over the last kind of month, 3 months. A lot of people think that I was a scam. I'd be careful there for sure, especially with the low volume here. Oh, sorry, we're not even looking at market cap. We're looking at volume. Okay, so that right now is very low volume, so we don't want that. But this, my babies, this, my beautiful kryptonites, cryptopians, this the orange pill, guys, up 14.7% in the last 7 days with a $2.6 million trading volume. Ordinals, guys, orange is just incredible. Incredible, incredible, incredible. This is the decentralized wallet for Bitcoin. Red, blue, or orange pill. Orange is a DeFi ecosystem of products that helps consumers and businesses manage Bitcoin and other blockchain protocols. And this is the Bitcoin wallet. Oh, I don't know about you guys. I don't know where the market cap is of this coin, but coin market cap. Okay, let's see if we can find it on coin market cap for you guys, because it does have something on coin market cap. Let's make you dark. Yeah. Okay, and switch you off. We did recently search for it, so it should be here. ORNJ. Guys, check this market cap. $10 million market cap. And the volume is 2.5 million. Look at us, we're breaking out. I bought me a ton more of this stuff the other day, over the weekend. So I don't know about you guys, but this thing, let's go and look at the coin perspective. Okay, the coin perspective could give us an indication of where and what possibly we could see on this, guys. No supply data, input a custom circulating supply. So you're gonna do this with me. So circulating supply, fully diluted. There's 100 million self-reported circulating supply, so 25 million. 25 million, 25, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 25 million. There you go. Yeah, that's very accurate because it's got an $11.2 million market cap. Guys, if this coin was to reach a $100 billion market cap, we would literally see a $4,000 price on this coin. It's currently sitting at 45 cents. That's a 9,000x gain on your money. I don't know about you, but that's converting $100 into $90,000 and $1,000 into $900,000. Sure. Wow. 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 You can see I'm just absolutely blown away. That's why I have invested it nicely into this coin. I think it will do very well. And obviously, none of this is financial advice. You guys should please do your own research, of course. But there are so many to look at here. Really, to be very honest with you guys, do your own research. Come over to BRC, to CoinGecko, to CoinMarketCap. Do your own research. Find these coins for yourself. Check them out. There are plenty cryptocurrency categories here that you guys can come and look at. But I have given you everything. I'm going to be talking about a few more of these categories very, very soon. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. I truly appreciate you all being here. Shout out to you, Orange. And thank you very much to everybody. Remember to come over to my Twitter page. Give my Twitter page a thumbs up. And of course, guys, make sure you hit my Bitflex and Bybit links down below so that you guys can come and make some good cash with me on the breakout of these beautiful, beautiful patterns. So let us check here what your comments are so that I can see. Isn't there a pullback after halving, Little John? Yes, sometimes there is a pullback after halving, Little John. I did obviously show you that in the video. If I really have to find the chart there for you very quickly, trading view, I'm just going to get my one BTC chart for you so that I can show you BTC. BTC, USD. Shout out to you, Dana. Shout out to you, Starglazer. You love you all very, very much, man. Oh, man. It's so good to be back here, guys. Definitely full in the mix here. Now, let's go. And I think it was the Kraken chart. So let's. Yes, here you go. So here is my Kraken chart. So let's go and have a look at the chart here for you. Okay, so once again, just very, very quickly. So this was the halving. So we had a pump up, we had a slight pullback, we capitulated, and then made a rally. Okay, and then pulled back here, and then continued to absolutely obliterate. The next halving date is kind of doing. So we rallied up, but we had a pull down before. Then we rallied up to it. We sat sideways. And then we kind of fiddled around here before we got up to the same level, capitulated, and then made an absolute explosion out. And then the same kind of thing. So as you can see, like there isn't real consistency in it, but there is, yes, capitulation around the halving time for at least, before a breakout of the all-time high. As you guys can see here, is about 9 months, 284 days, and that should give us about October 28th this year that we actually get a breakout. But if you guys look at this, we are literally pushing up towards that level right now, which is now heading towards the 0.786 level, and the one level is literally the all-time high at 69. Like, I can't dispute what the charts are saying, what the charts are saying, and that's why I said to you guys that this cycle is undoubtedly very different to the rest of the cycles. And that's why if you are in crypto this cycle, you literally will become a deca millionaire, undoubtedly. So if you chose to invest in the right projects at the right time, following my channel, subscribing to my content, and I truly appreciate you all being here. Thank you to you too, Little John. Thank you to you, to Starglazer, Dana Crypto. Shout out to Before Crypto, Car from the Moon, MM Crypto, Da Vinci, Crypto Kid. Maria, love you all, guys. And yeah, thank you very much for you all for being here. You guys are rock stars. We are ready to take on the next level. So subscribe to the channel because there's going to be some pretty awesome content, guys. I'm going to be pumping out quite a few videos like this for you this week because there is a lot of projects. And then eventually what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to bring it all together in an Excel spreadsheet, a portfolio, so that you guys can, we can then go through that in a session or 2 or 3. And then we can have a look at those portfolios and where we are going to potentially look at taking profits. And what happens if one coin explodes more than the others? We must take some profits at specific levels and then rebank them into other coins to make more money. And this is going to be what this cycle is all about. So I hope you guys subscribe to the channel because I am going to be pumping tons of content for you. So thank you all for being here. Once again, I truly appreciate you all. Much love, beautiful blessings. And we will see you all on the flip side. What's up?